Hello, you guys. We recently did a read aloud called Cece Loves Science. If you didn't catch that read aloud already, be sure to go back and watch that video. So, because we read that book, I wanted to do a quick experiment, like a follow-up experiment with that video. So, in the book, the little girl named Cece and her friend Isaac was doing a science experiment. They wanted to find out, do dogs eat vegetables? So the book walked us through the entire experiment, and in the end, they found another way to get the dogs to eat vegetables, because that's what science is. It's thinking outside of the box and figuring out what, how, and what if. So in this experiment, I want to find out, is there another way to blow up a balloon? We know we can blow up a balloon by blowing it up that way, but is there another way to blow it up? So, for this experiment, you will need, or I'm going to use, a funnel, balloons. I said balloons just in case we mess up one, we'll have another one. And then we'll also need baking soda and white vinegar. And that's all you're going to need. So, what we want to do is find out, is there another way for these balloons to blow up besides us just blowing air into them? So stay tuned. Let's get everything set up and we'll find out if there's another way to blow up these balloons. Okay, you guys, so because we think outside of the box when we are doing science experiments or trying to figure out the why and the how of different things, I decided to also add in a blow dryer, because a blow dryer blows air just like we do. So if we could blow up the balloon, do you think that a blow dryer could blow it up? Let's find out. Alright, you guys, so I have everything set up and I think we're ready to go. Two things that I didn't say a while ago that you will also need is a container. I'm using an empty water bottle, and you want to have something to put this whole mess on. You see, I've already made a mess on mine. So I'm using a cookie sheet for easy cleanup, because science can get messy, but easy cleanup will really help too. So here we go. So we talked about having the blow dryer and the balloon, and seeing if the balloon can be blown up by the blow dryer. So I'm looking at the balloon and just looking at the top of the balloon and the top of the dryer. We can already tell that this balloon will not be able to go around the top of the front of this blow dryer. But what if we just hold the balloon like this and blow it? Do you think that it will blow up then? Well, let's find out. That's a part of science, is trying it out and seeing what will happen. So all the blow dryer did was blow the balloon out like this. But we don't want it to blow out. We want it to blow up like this. So we want it to blow up. We want an actual balloon to be inflated. So let's go ahead and start our experiment with the baking soda and vinegar and see what happens, okay? Now when we mix baking soda and vinegar, we create a gas. So we want to see if that gas will actually blow up this balloon. Let's get started. So what you want to do first is you want to take your funnel and your balloon, and we're going to put the funnel in there, and we're going to pour some baking soda. Y'all see that? We're going to pour some baking soda into the funnel and into the balloon. Now, the thing about pouring it in there like this is the funnel sometimes gets stuck when you try to put the baking soda through there. So you have to give it a little tap and a little shake and a little tap like this. And you see it went down, but I think we should use some more. I think that the more we use, maybe the bigger the balloon will blow up. And maybe if the less we use, the smaller the balloon will blow up. And we want it to actually blow up a pretty good size. So I'm going to use enough components. We're going to use enough baking soda, and we're going to use enough vinegar. Alright, so when it gets stuck like that, I just turn it over and go ahead and make a mess, because science is messy sometimes, and it's okay to make a mess, because sometimes messes are fun, especially in science. And so we have the baking soda in here, but I kind of want to add even more. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to try it out today. We're going to try it out and see what happens. So we have more baking soda in here. Now, let's add our vinegar. So what we want to do now is sit this balloon to the side, and we're going to get our container and the funnel, and we're going to pour some vinegar inside. Now I'm going to pour a good amount of vinegar, because again, I think that the more we use, the bigger it may blow up. So, but we're just trying it out to see what happens. And just pour all of it. Alright, here we go. Ooh, that vinegar is strong. That's a strong smell. Here we go. Now that we have our vinegar in the bottle, we have our baking soda in the balloon, we're going to take the top of the balloon and put it over the top of the water bottle. Be very careful not to rip your balloon, and make sure to secure it very, very good. Because remember, when we mix it together, it creates a gas, and it gets bigger. Okay, so here we go. So I'm looking at it, and I think I'm pretty secure. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to hold it around the rim just to make sure that it doesn't pop off. And I'm just going to let that baking soda drop right into it. And there it goes. There it is. It's working, guys. It's blowing it up. So what did we find out? Baking soda and vinegar creates the gas, and it actually blows up the balloon. So a balloon can be blown up in more ways than one. So you don't have to just blow it up by mouth and blowing your air into it. We can make a mixture like this, and now we have a blown up balloon. That's pretty cool, right? Alright, so it actually worked. Now I love experimenting with baking soda and vinegar, so we will do more of these kind of experiments really soon. So, but yeah, it worked, guys. So be sure to let me know what you think about this experiment. Try it out at home. When you try it out, let me know how you liked it. Let me know how did it come out. And try different things with it. Try more baking soda or more vinegar, or you could try less baking soda and less vinegar, and see what the difference or what the different outcomes are. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.